If your iPhone speakers are dirty or clogged, there are several ways to clean them. First, you can brush the speaker ports with a soft, bristle toothbrush. If the speakers are extremely dirty, you can use a cotton swab with a little rubbing alcohol. Another option is to use painter's tape rolled into a cylinder to pick up grime from the speakers. You can also use an air blower to blow debris out of the speakers, but avoid using compressed air. To clean the charging port or headphone port, use a cotton swab or an air blower. Make sure not to dampen the cotton swab with water or rubbing alcohol. If the sound problems persist, check for foreign objects in the ports and ensure silent mode is not enabled. Removing the phone case may also help if the speaker is muffled. Increasing the volume in Control Center or restarting the iPhone can also solve sound issues. If these steps don't work, try updating the iPhone's software or contact Apple for further assistance.